Hey, what's up guys? I figured I would do this little unboxing and review and install of this Rennstall shift knob. I just now have had the time to do my 5-speed swap, so I've wanted this shift knob for about, I don't know, I'd say 2 or 3 years since I've decided to go with the gold theme in my car. So we're just going to unbox this real quick. I already looked at it when I first got it just to make sure it wasn't damaged or anything, but we're still going to do an unboxing of this and show you guys what it looks like. And I'm also going to do a little product picture and video section after this or during what I'm talking. I'm not really sure how I'm going to edit it yet, but it should look pretty good in the car with how I have everything kind of mixed in with the gold and the red. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up. First impressions, even just looking at the box, is it's definitely pretty heavy. So it's not like a light shifter, but it's not, you know, super heavy either also. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and open this up. Like I said, they did have these out of stock for a while because I originally ordered this back in May. And then that's when all the COVID stuff was going on, and then I ended up getting my money returned to me. And they said because they were out of the gold ones when I ordered it, and apparently the last one got sold, and then they were waiting for the company who does their gold plating to do a batch of these, but they were closed down obviously because of the COVID stuff, and a lot of that stuff was closed down anyways. So they just now got them back in stock, and I ordered it, and it got here a few days ago. So see the front of the box says Rennstall Motorsports, established 2011, shift to win. That's their little logo or whatever, their slogan I guess you would call it. See, we got this little package right here, and this is the set screws for it, because obviously this is for the BMW one. They do fit other cars besides BMW, but you will have to have the threaded adapter or whatever. So at least for your cars that have, like, I think the 14mm thread adapter. So comes with a little Allen wrench and 4 little set screws. There's actually about 5 or 6 in there. But anyways, let's get to the main event. So they put in this bubble wrap. Like I said, definitely has a decent amount of weight to it. I think they said it was like 12 ounces. But they packaged this up nice, put the tape on there. So here it is. You can see it reflecting the light. You can see the Rennstall logo is directly embedded into the metal itself, so that's pretty cool. You got your little 4-point or your 3 points right here for your set screws that obviously go to the shaft of the shifter assembly. This definitely looks sick, and I definitely think it'll go good with the car since I have a lot of gold accents in the car, and something I've always wanted since I saw it the first time. But it definitely is a fingerprint magnet. That's one thing that's going to be prevalent with this, but definitely beautiful. Like I said, it has a nice weight to it. Obviously you put it this way, so when you're shifting your thumbs, you know, pretty much right there. So definitely has a good feel in the hand. And this has a little taller knob, so it's not like the shorter one. This is the type 1. They do have 3 different types, and then I think there's like 3 or 4 different types of each one. There's like the 24 karat gold gold plated one, and then there's also the just stock silver, or the silver or the chrome version, and then they have a Delrin version, and then I think that's it for the versions. But definitely pretty nice knob, feels really nice. I think it'll definitely go with the interior, so hopefully it looks good on camera. So I want to give you a little rundown of what this shift knob is made out of. It's CNC, made out of 6061 T6 aluminum. So it's 5.5 inches tall. Like I said, it's a little bit taller of a shift knob for people that are looking like for something of that style. These originally were designed for BMW, but obviously, like I said, they do fit other models. They do have the 14mm little thread adapters that you can put in the shifter itself, so you can, you know, go ahead and use it for other models besides BMWs. But like I said, the shift knob weighs 12.7 ounces, so it's definitely not light, but it's definitely not, you know, heavy or anything. But it's going to have a good feel in the hand when you're shifting. So at the time of this video, I believe they do have some more of these in stock. I think they said they were doing a smaller batch, So hopefully they have some if you guys want to pick this one up or whatever. At the time of this video, I'm not really sure if they're gonna have some more after this or whatever because of all the COVID stuff going on, but that's pretty much it. But like I said, I've checked out a few different handfuls of shift knobs, and I just didn't really like any of them too much. Besides like the traditional like wood type ones, which I did think about going, but ever since I saw this one, I kind of fell in love with it. I saw it on one dude's car, then I saw it on another guy's car on Instagram, OG Cheds. So I saw it on his car and it looked really nice. So it was definitely something I wanted to get for a while. But anyways, guys, I'm going to go ahead and do some product video and some product pictures, and then I'm going to install it in this episode also. So once my car is back up and this center console's in with the shift knob and everything, I can put this on and see what it looks like actually in the car. So the next clip will be just a little edit of the shift knob itself, and then I will go ahead and show you what it looks like inside of my personal car. So on to the next part. Alright guys, so as you guys saw, I just did those little clips on the gimbal to show you guys how it looks. But looks pretty sick in here. Definitely goes with the theme of the car, being everything has gold in it. It's pretty much the same color as the gold on my grip royal, so I thought that was pretty dope. But it definitely looks good in here. Stands out with all the black interior once the interior is back in the car. Had to switch the mic around, but car's almost back together. If you guys don't follow my channel, you guys just came to look at the shifter, obviously. This is my 89 E30. So we're doing a 5-speed swapping on right now. But I just wanted to, I've always wanted this, like I said, for a while. So the next step is going to be getting some pedals. And then maybe incorporate some gold in the pedals. Not really sure yet. But wheels gold, kind of looks weird in this light. Looks like there's like no gold at all, but pretty much the same exact color for both of the pieces. And then I got my gold cluster with the gold rings on it. So I just like tying things in, and definitely sticks out as well with the shift boot. But if you could see in here also, I do have gold stitching in the shift boot, so it kind of goes with the shifter also. Anyways guys, thanks for watching the video. Like I said, be sure to check out the links down below. I'm not sure if they're going to have any more currently, but I'll leave all the links down below anyways. Super excited to get this out and take some pictures when the car's back together. And like I said, anyways, for the installation process, it's super simple. All you do is just, if you don't have a shifter like I did, all you do is just put it on and then put your 3 set screws in and tighten it up. If you do, you just take off your other shifter and put the 3 set screws in, and then you're pretty much done. So anyways guys, thanks for watching the video. Be sure to check out other videos on my channel if you guys want to check out the build. And like I said, thanks for watching the video guys. Peace.